I have some scrapbook paper here that I got from Hobby Lobby. My first piece is called Whitewashed Fence, and I'm going to cut 8 6x6-inch pieces. I'm using my paper cutter and a ruler to get my 6x6-inch pieces. The second scrapbook piece of paper is called Wood Fence, and it's in the color red. And I'm also going to make 8 pieces that measure 6x6 inches. Now this came from Hobby Lobby. The brand I'm using is called the Paper Studio. And these specific sheets measure 12 by 12 inches. So I only needed 2 of each, the red and the white. So once I have all my paper cut, I'm then going to use my hot glue, and I'm going to fold each 6x6-inch piece into a cone. I'm holding this down with some hot glue. I found it was easiest to find a corner and make a crease and fold the paper in at the one corner here. And it just makes a nice cone. And I repeated this until I had 8 red cones and 8 white cones. Next, I have this 6.5-inch piece of wood. It's a wood circle. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to start gluing down my paper cones. I'm going to be rotating with the red and the white. And as I'm gluing here, I'm focusing on making sure the top of each cone is even rather than where I'm placing it on the wood circle, because it's going to look uneven until we have all of our pieces laid down. Now you can pick any colors of your choice. I'm going with an Americana theme, so I picked a distressed red and a distressed white scrapbook paper. I then have this star scrapbook paper. This is called Crackled Stars. And I'm going to cut 10 pieces that measure 4 inches by 4 inches. Now these sheets were a little smaller, so I'll need 3 of these star sheets to get 10 4 by 4 inch pieces. And again, the brand is Paper Studio, and it is called Crackled Stars. And I'm going to repeat the same thing, and I'm going to make 10 cones out of this scrapbook paper. These are just going to be a little smaller. The first 2 cones I made were 6 by 6 inches. The stars are 4 by 4 inches. I'm then going to mark a little dot in the center of the wood that is left here, and I'm going to start gluing down all of these star cones, making sure that the tip of the cone sits on that center marking. And I'm going to fill in the rest of this piece of wood with my star cones, just layering them on top of the red and white ones. I have 2 wood cubes here that I'm going to glue in the center, and then I have this Americana heart that I found from Hobby Lobby, and now we have this very easy paper wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and don't forget you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.